Well, welcome back, everyone. We have Tami Gough, Director of Prevention and Health Promotion Services at Allen County Public Health, and Donna Dickman, from Prevention Awareness Support Services, also known as PASS. So welcome, ladies.
Hello.
All right, we're going to be talking about youth suicide. Very important subject. We don't like to talk about it normally, but important topic to talk about. So let's talk about it.
Sure, yeah. Youth suicide, we know mental health is a crisis now. It was before the pandemic, but certainly post-pandemic, really looking at opportunities to bring resources to communities. So the Ohio Department of Health made funds available to local health departments to work in collaboration with services that are already operating to prevent suicide, to be able to bring additional resources so that they can expand those services. Yeah. So we were able to qualify for that grant and were awarded the funds to work on that now.
That's great, that's great. All right, so give us some more information.
Wow, this really is a great opportunity for PASS to be able to expand what we're already doing. So we've been in the schools since 2010, educating youth about suicide prevention. We have adult programming talking about youth suicide prevention. But with the focus on youth suicide prevention here is so important. In 2012, the U.S. recognized, we've got to talk about this more, just about our kids. So they created their own module with mental health first aid. And since that time, we keep seeing the numbers escalate. There's certain groups that we're really looking at harder to say what more can we do to support. And one of those are our college freshmen. So that's where a lot of this program is going to be embedded in, is college freshmen. We're very excited to be able to provide that due to those new grant funds coming in.
Yeah, that grant funds is very important, right? So what can you do with those grant funds? What kind of stuff?
Well, they would like us to work in 3 different sectors, but primarily one of them is to reestablish or grow community efforts that are already involved. As she said, PASS has been working on suicide prevention for a long time, and there was an active coalition that is still meeting, but this way it can give them some very concrete objectives that we need to meet in certain populations.
Yeah, and one of the statistics that you sent me that I thought was pretty sad is that youth suicide in Allen County is ranked among the top 21 counties in Ohio, just Ohio. So.
Yeah, the Ohio Department of Health determined that 21 counties had a higher burden of youth suicide, and they were going to award 6 grants to some of those 21 agencies, and we were fortunate enough that they saw our need is important enough and have awarded it to us. Yeah.
When you go into the schools, what kind of stuff happens there? Like, what kind of program is that?
Sure, we have evidence-based program. So a lot of research behind it to say we have really good outcomes. The kids are more aware of what they're looking for when we're talking about signs and symptoms, and what they can do with that information, which is always go to a trusted adult. And that's where we help build the support among the adults to say these are the next steps here. Yeah. So we have 3 programs that we are in school with, DBT Steps A, and we also have Lifelines. We have that in there. QPR, Question, Persuade, and Refer. So we have those going on with our high schools, bringing some of that right into our younger adults with college.
Yeah, are you getting good feedback? I'm guessing you are. It's such an important program. It's on its own. So are you getting some feedback with that?
We get all the evaluations we're looking for plus. Yeah. So we ask for qualitative feedback from the teachers when we come into with the kids. Our Gatekeepers program, which is a youth-led program, really gives the kids, it allows them then to promote within their own. So that's really good. And with this grant, we're able to add a youth coalition, a youth subcommittee to our coalition. Yeah. So we'll get more information from the youth as where do we need to read you the most? Right,
and it sounds like it's really a team effort.
Oh, we need their voice.
Yeah, and you guys are making a great team together as well. So Tami and Donna, I want to thank you so much for coming on, giving us some information about preventative steps for youth suicide. I do appreciate that.
Thank you for the opportunity.
My pleasure. Well, don't go away because medical news is up next.